Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install IntelliJ IDE for Java. It is a product of JetBrains. So first of all, visit to jetbrains.com. This is the home page of JetBrains. Click on Find Your IDE link. Now JetBrains provide IDE for different languages. Like you can see list here. IDE is available for C, C++, C#, Python, Java. Then select Java because I want to install IDE for Java. Check out the first option that is called IntelliJ. Just click on download button. Now check out here. This IDE is available for 3 different operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating system. I'm going to install this IDE for Windows operating system. Then again, there are 2 different versions, ultimate version and second is what? Community version. Community version is available free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You can just download this version, but with limited functionality. And ultimate version is not free of cost. You have to pay something, but with fully functionality. You can use this IDE for web and enterprise development. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Community Edition. Just click on the download link here. Now it will start the downloading of your IDE. Just click on the save file. But already I have downloaded this setup. That's why I'm going to click on the cancel button. Check out here. This is the setup file. Double click on this file. Now it will start installation of your IDE. Okay, now this is the first screen. Just click on the next button. Now it provides the destination folder here. By default, destination folder is C:program files JetBrains folder. Okay, if you want to change the installation directory, then you can click on the browse button and select the different path. Click on the browse button and select the different path. But I don't want to use a different path. I want to use this default path. That's why I'm going to click on the next button. Now here you can specify a couple of options here. First, shortcut, like create desktop shortcut, whether you want to create shortcut for 32-bit launcher or 64-bit launcher. My operating system is 64-bit. That's why I'm selecting which one, 64-bit launcher. Then second option, you can use create association. Means what? Whether you want to associate Java file, Kotlin file, Groovy file with this IDE. Association means what? When I click on Java file, .java file, double click on .java file, that Java file is open inside which one? Your IDE directly. So that is called which one? Association. Now I want to associate the Java file with the IntelliJ IDE. That's why I'm selecting this checkbox. Now just click on the next button and click on the installation. So it will start installation of your IDE. Just wait to complete the installation process. Now setup is completed. Just click on the finish button. Now desktop shortcut is created here. Just double click on this shortcut. It will open IDE for the first time. Now check out first option is what? Configure installation folder, or do not import any settings. Suppose you have previous installation, then you can select this one. But suppose I don't want to import any previous setting, just click on the this radio button that is called do not import setting and click on the OK button. Now there are two options, two themes. One is called Dracula theme, that is the black theme. Second is light theme. Whatever theme you want to select, you can select. I want to select suppose black theme, so click on the Dracula theme. Then there is one option here to the left side bottom, skip remaining and set default. Just click here. So it will use the all default setting. Okay, now this is the front page of your IDE. Now here, there are 3 options are available: create new project, open or import project, get from the version control. Now I want to show you how to create your first Java program. Just click here, create new project. Now, to the left side, you can check this IDE support Kotlin language, Android app, and which one Java application. But I want to show you in this video, I want to show you how to create the Java program. Now here, project SDK, check out here. Already I have JDK installed. That's why it is showing this project is using SDK 14.0. That is the latest version of Java. Now, suppose you don't have installed JDK previously, then you can click on download JDK. Just click on the download JDK. It will fetch the list of the JDK available here. Check out here vendor. Vendor means company. You can select different versions also, like Oracle from the Java from the Oracle, Amazon, or different types of company. But suppose if you don't have installed JDK previously, then select Oracle OpenJDK and click on the download button. But already I told you I have downloaded or and installed JDK previously. That's why I'm not going to select this one. Just click on the cancel button. Then here, check out here additional libraries you can add while creating the project. Suppose you required Kotlin support, then select this one. If you required Groovy support, then select this one. But I'm going to create plain Java program. That's why I'm going to select next button. Now here, create project from the template. If I select this one, then it will create one class file with by default public static void main. But I don't want to create a new program with the support of template. I want to create program from the scratch. That's why I'm not going to select this one. Just click on the next button. Here, you can specify the name of the project. Suppose I'm writing like first project. That is the name of the project. Now check out the project location, C:users, username, and idea project. Okay, if you want to change, this is the by default location, but if you want to change the location of the project, then you can click on this one and select the different location where you want to store your project. Now click on the finish button. Now here, check out, it is showing that that folder does not exist. That is called first project does not exist. It will be created by IDE. Just click on the OK button. Now it will take some time to create what your first application. Okay, now it is showing a screen that show the tips, different tips. I'm going to click on the close button here. Now scanning is started here. Just check out to the right side, bottom side. Just wait to complete this process. After that, you can create your first program. Now configuration is completed. Now you can create your first Java program here. Check out here, the name of the project is first project. Inside this first project, source folder is created, SRC, that is the source folder where your Java file present. Inside source folder, nothing is present right now because I have not selected that template. Now you can create your program from the scratch. Just right click on the source folder. Here select new and select package. Now create one package with name my package. You can give any package name, doesn't matter. I'm selecting my package, then press enter button. One package is created. Inside this package, I'm creating one Java class file. Again, right click on my package, then click on new Java class. Here, I'm going to write down first class. That is the name of the my class, first class. Okay, now just press enter button. Now check out one class file is created here. Check out public class first class and it is present inside which package, that is called my package. Now just minimize this one so you will get the more area to write the code. Now check out here, main method is not present by default. You have to put down main method inside this class. Now IntelliSense provided inside this IDE. So just write down main and it will show IntelliSense, or it will provide the code hinting. So just press enter button, automatically main method is generated here. Again, I'm going to show you this one. I remove this one, just write down main and then press the enter button. Automatically main method is generated here. So code hinting IntelliSense provided by this ID automatically. Again, check out, suppose I want to print hello world. Suppose I write sy it is automatically showing all the options starting with SYS. Suppose I want to select system. Inside the system class, if I give dot operator here, it will give the list of the option present inside which one system class. From the system class, suppose I want to select which one out object. Now after out object, if I give dot again, it will give the list of the option present inside which one out object. Suppose I want to use println. So here I'm going to write down which one, hello world. So this IDE provide the intelligence which help us to write code fast. So that is the advantage of which one, this IDE. So this hello world message, just write down here, hello world. Now I want to execute this code. So just save this one and right click and click on the run, or you can use the shortcut control plus shift plus F10. So just click on the run and it will execute Java program, and you can view the output hello world in the command prompt. So check out here, command prompt is open here, and you can check output is equals to each one, hello world. Now again open the project structure here. Just now check out one folder is automatically created here, that is called out folder. Now previously it was not present. Why? Because when I compile and execute the Java program, the Java class file is generated, and that Java class file is stored inside which folder, out folder. So check out, inside out folder production folder is present. Inside project production folder, name of the project, that is called first project. Inside the first project, my package is present, and inside my package your class file is present. Means what? When I compile and execute your Java program, class file is present inside which folder, that is called the out folder. Now another very useful option provided by this ID, that is called debugging of your program. Suppose you want to debug, you want to find out a line by line execution of your program, then you can use which one, debugging. So just cut this one and write down the simple program, that is called integer what, a comma b comma c. Then manually I'm going to write down a is equals to 10, then b is equals to 20, then c is equals to a plus b, and finally I want to write down system dot out dot print. Okay, see, now I want to check execution of this program line by line. What are the values of the different variable, ABC variable? Then you can use which one, debugging. For this purpose, just click here to the left side, click here, this red circle, that is called debugging this line, debugging. Okay, so line by line code is executed inside which one, debug mode. Now, if you want to debug, then do not click on the run button, click on the debug button. This is the debug button. Just click on the debug button to the right side here, debug. Now debugging is started. Now you can check line by line execution of the Java program, or you can check the values of the program during execution. Okay, so check out here in this section, variable section. This is the variable section. In this section, you can check out the values of the different variables. Now to the left side, there is one button is present, that is called debug, resume program, or you can use F9. Now currently selected line, check out this blue line. Blue line indicate this is the line to be executed when I press F9 or when I press on debug. So check out when I press on debug or run resume program, check out here that line is executed, and you can check the value of variable is equals to 10. Now next line to be executed is this one, that is line number is equals to what, 9, indicated by the blue line. Again click here, resume program, or you can press F9. Check out value of the b variable is equals to which one, 20. Here you can check value of b variable is equals to 20. Again next line to be executed, c is equals to a plus b. Here also you can see value, it is displaying a value is equals to 10, b value is equals to 20. Just click on the resume. Again check out value of the c variable, value of c variable is equals to 30, and finally just click here. Now debugging is completed. So in this way you can debug your Java program. Final output you can see inside which one, console. Check out here, output is equals to which one, 30. So both options are available. You can directly execute your program or you can debug your program. So this is the way to create simple Java program inside which one, IntelliJ IDE.